Welcome back to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Sceptre new 24.5-inch gaming monitor, boasting a stunning 240Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Let's get started. First impressions matter, and the Sceptre E255B FWD240 series doesn't disappoint. Its sleek machine black design not only looks great but also complements any gaming setup. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the display. With a 24.5-inch screen and a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, this monitor delivers crisp and vibrant visuals. The standout feature here is the incredible 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring silky smooth gameplay. Paired with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, it's perfect for fast-paced games. Plus, it supports AMD FreeSync Premium technology, reducing screen tearing and ensuring a tear-free gaming experience. Beyond the basics, this monitor comes with some nifty extras. It features a blue light filter for eye comfort during long gaming sessions. You'll also find built-in speakers, which are surprisingly decent for built-ins. They add an extra layer of immersion to your gaming experience. If you prefer a multi-monitor setup, it's VESA mount ready, making it easy to customize your gaming station. Connectivity options are robust, with DisplayPort X2 and HDMI X2, giving you flexibility for various devices and connections. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, so if you're ordering internationally, check for compatibility or consider an adapter. Now, let's talk about the price. At $168.04, it's an excellent deal considering its features. In fact, it's one of the most affordable 240Hz monitors on the market. While we don't want to focus on customer reviews, we do want to mention that users have praised this monitor's quality, particularly given its affordable price point. So, should you consider the Sceptre new 24.5-inch gaming monitor? If you're a budget-conscious gamer looking for high refresh rates and low response times, it's definitely worth considering. That's it for our review of the Sceptre E255B FWD240 series gaming monitor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech reviews on Product Critique. See you in the next episode.